I thought I'd just give you a quick little run through on a nice little hack that I found on YouTube there the other night, but I thought I'd do the Australian version for you, not the US version, because you know in the US they've got everything back to front over there, even the steering wheel's on the other side. So this is my Laramie, Dodge Ram 1500 Laramie 2019 model. It's probably got about 5,000 Ks on the clock. So problem is, you know, your battery goes flat, you got to get it out of park or it doesn't start, and you got to get it on a tilt tray, or you got to tow it, or you got to move it or something like that, because it won't start, no power or anything else like that. You're not going to be able to take it out of park. So there's a emergency park override, okay, found under the glove box on the left hand side of the Australian Laramie or the Dodge Ram 1500 in most of the makes and models. So I'm just going to show you a quick little video of probably how to get around that and do that. This video is for all those people out there that don't read the manual. Hey, so like I said, this is my Dodge Ram 1500 Laramie, okay, 2019 model. I believe it's the same for the Express. What I do know is that it is the same on all 8-speed automatics, okay? So if you've got the turn dial, like that fella there, then this is going to work for you. Okay, so safety first. Make sure your handbrake's on, okay? Make sure the wheels are chocked, because you're going to be taking the car out of park, so it could roll. So I don't want it rolling over anyone. All right, safety's done. The next thing is you're going to need a nice little sharp, like a small little screwdriver. If you haven't got one of those, your key, your emergency key, you could turn around and use that. Okay, so if you're like me, you can see I've given that a yank a couple of times without reading the manual and busted the cable. So that if you pop it down with the end of the key there, you see that you've released it, and you can pull that all the way open until it clicks. Okay, so now the car is in neutral. Handbrake is still on, so it's not going to go anywhere now. Take the handbrake off, we can move it around, put it on the tilt tray, do what we need to do. Okay, to put it back into, take the emergency override off, just basically to let it click and make it go back in there, and I'll just give it a little push, and you'll see that that little lever's just popped up, and away you go. Obviously try and tuck that up, back up under there, that way there. The missus will never know what you've done. So there you go, there's the emergency park override, okay, to put it into neutral, so if you need to move the vehicle around. They might vary slightly from different year models or anything else like that, but that gives you the basic idea. Thanks for watching.